Welcome to another video on previous year question paper of CSIE Net Mathematics number theory part. The question is from also set theory, you can say. Okay, so the question is, in a group of 265 persons, 200 like singing, 110 like dancing and 55 like painting. If 60% like both singing and dancing, 30 like both singing and painting, and 10 like all the three activities, the number of person who like only dancing and painting is. Actually we have to find, let's write down what's the given. The given things is, let's use the universal set. A is denoted the number of A is denoted the sets of singing a person, D dancing and P painting. Then n of u, that means number of total person 265, and n of is, that means number of singing is 200. N of D is equal to 110 and n of P is equal to 55, and number of person who's singing and dancing is 60. Number of person singing and painting is 30, and number of person who singing, painting and dancing is 10. We know from set theory formula that n of u, total number of cells, that is n of S plus n of D plus n of P minus n of S intersection D minus n of S intersection P minus n of P intersection D and plus n of S intersection P intersection D. All the things are known. The only thing we don't know, that is number of dancing and painting. Here is the number of dancing and painting, not only dancing and painting. Here also can included number of singing person also. First we have to calculate this value, this quantity, then we have to calculate the only dancing and painting like persons. Okay, let's solve the question. Nu 265, n of S is 200 plus n of D is 110 plus 55 minus 60 minus 30 minus n of P intersection D plus 10. If you solve the question, the number of P intersection D is 20. This is the number of person who painting and dancing, but we have to calculate only dancing and painting. That means only number of only dancing and painting, that means n of P intersection D minus n of P intersection D intersection S. That means those person we have to eliminate who also singing, that is 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. 10 is the right answer. Here what we do, we just simply do number of, we have to calculate actually number of dancing and painting person who like dancing and painting, the only. But here this is the set theory formula. Here we calculate actually the number of person who likes painting and dancing, but in the question they asked about only dancing and painting. That's why we have to eliminate the number of person who also involved in dancing, painting and also singing. That's why this is the number of person who only like dancing and painting. Okay, let's move to another question. This is the question. This type of question I have solved already, but now I am solving this by congruence relation. We have to calculate actually number of last two digit of 7 power 81. Last two digit mean, if we divide a number by 100, something number, then the remainder is the last two digit. How to calculate remainder? Remainder is nothing but congruence modulo relation. Here I am solving this step by step. Let's see. 7 is congruent to 7 mod 10 mod 100 Fine. If 7 square, that means 49. 49 mod 100. 7 cube, that means actually 7 cube means 343. That means 43 mod 100, because we are just dividing this by 100 and remainder term is written here. If we 7 4, then 7 per 4, that means 43 into 7, that means 301, that means 01 mod 100. Here we can see that if some number 1 is multiplied by 1 is multiplied by 1, is always give remainder 1. Whatever you can whatever term you divide, that means in multiple of 10, 100, 1000. That's why 7 per 4 is congruent to 01, that means 1 modulo 100. If we power another 7 per 4 power 20, that means 01 mod 100, sorry, 1000. Then that means 7 power 80 congruent to 1 mod 100. We have to calculate 7 power 81. That means 7 power 81 means 1 into 7, that means 07 mod 100. That's why the remainder is 07 and last 2 digit is 07. I think you can understand the question. The question is simply nothing but involved in congruence model relation. Congruence model, that means we have to find actually the remainder of the number when is divisible by, when it divided by 100. We know that 7 is 7 congruent to 100 and 7 square congruent to 49 modulo 100. 7 cube, that means 443, 343, that means 43 modulo 100. And 7 power 4, 7 power 4 means 43 into 7 is simply 301. 301 remainder is 01, that's why I written here 01. And 01 power something, whatever you want, is always give remainder 1 when is divided by 100. 110, that means 100, 10, 1000, 10,000. That's why 7 power 4 power 20 is congruent to 1 modulo 10, 1 modulo 100. And 7 power 80 congruent to 1 modulo 100. Again I multiply 7, that means 1 multiply 7. That's why 7 power 81 is congruent to 07 modulo 100. That means the number of the last 2 digits of the term 7 power 81 is 07. Thank you for watching the video. The next video I upload tomorrow on previous year question paper. Thank you.